the Verreal, Venereal, or however it's pronounced, F1, considered the best beginner electric longboard for the price. This particular version is the F1 6 amp BAK battery upgrade, supposed to get better speed at around 24 miles an hour and about 10 miles range on its lowest power settings. Do check out their website for further details and more robust electric skateboards and longboards. There are really cool options available along with accessories too. Make sure to reach out to Vic, who answered all my questions and was patient with me, and was also informed right off the bat that my shipment would be arriving from overseas and would take more time. Now, I'm really impressed with how others on YouTube can command an electric longboard with moxie, especially in traffic. I'd like to graduate to that level someday, but I'm at the very beginning now and can barely balance myself on these thingies. If you live relatively close to work, then this board is definitely for you, as long as you know what you're doing and can use it safely. After it arrived a couple months later, it was pretty lightweight, had a hand remote, a 3 amp charger, a T-tool, and instructions. The only thing is when the longboard is stationary and you engage the brake on the remote in order to mount it, the board will not stay in place. It will move, so be aware when getting on the F1. But for $400, you really can't complain for what you're getting. Even though it's winter now, I plan on asking the local park district here if I can practice in their gym when it's vacant or just a handful of people there. Maybe the next time I post on the electric longboards, I will be indoors. I definitely feel more comfortable taking risks and going faster if all I have to worry about is falling onto the hardwood floor, as opposed to dealing with impatient drivers, uneven sidewalk, or a chopped up pavement. It's worth a try, it doesn't hurt to ask. Besides, I still need to learn how to turn on these electric longboards. For now, I just pick up the board and place it in the direction I want to go. So I've got a long way to go, and there's much practice needed. And on this brisk but not too cold December day, I'm taking the F1 on its maiden voyage, an entire 2 blocks north, woohoo, and then an entire 2 blocks south, yeehaw! Oh, and there was a dead rat in the street too. That's just big city life here. As always, anyone who'd like to collaborate and carve with these longboards, please do reach out. My info is in the About tab on my channel here. Thanks ahead of time. Y'all stay well. Be safe. Ciao, friends.
Alright, y'all. No fucking clue what I'm doing. something I feel comfortable on, y'all.